There is a mountain range, so old that when it formed, life on Earth barely existed. Nearly 2 billion years ago, some of the oldest rock on the planet rose from an ancient continent, forming towers unlike anywhere else on Earth. Flat-topped, vertical-walled, rising straight up from the jungle floor like something that shouldn't exist. This is Venezuela. And what's hidden inside these ancient mountains will completely change the way you see this planet. To the indigenous Pemon people, these mountains are the houses of the gods. To scientists, they are something almost as remarkable. Living windows into Earth's distant past. They're called Tepuis, and for millions of years, these isolated summits have remained almost completely cut off from the world below, like islands floating above the clouds. Picture this, a plateau so high, so isolated, that clouds form below its summit. Not above it, below it. Plants up there evolved in isolation. Animals up there evolved in isolation. For millions of years, nothing came up. Nothing went down. And even today, researchers continue to discover species found nowhere else on Earth. Entirely new frogs, entirely new plants, living on summits most humans will never reach. From one of these ancient mountains flows something even more extraordinary. Angel Falls, the tallest uninterrupted waterfall on the entire planet. Nearly 1 kilometer high. That's not a typo. Nearly 1 kilometer of falling water. So high that before it even reaches the rainforest below, the water turns to mist. It simply dissolves into the air. Named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who first flew over it in 1933. Before that, most of the outside world didn't even know it existed. A waterfall taller than 15 Niagara Falls, stacked on top of each other, hidden in the jungle for centuries. To reach Angel Falls today, you cannot drive there. There are no roads. You fly into a remote airstrip, then travel by river for hours through dense rainforest. And when you finally arrive, standing at the base, looking straight up, most visitors describe the same feeling: disbelief. Because nothing prepares you for water falling that far. But the Tepuis and the waterfall are only the beginning of what makes this land extraordinary. Venezuela's rainforests stretch across millions of acres, among the most biodiverse ecosystems on the entire planet. Jaguars move silently through the undergrowth, Harpy eagles, with talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws, hunt from the canopy above. Thousands of species of birds fill the forest with sound, and scientists believe countless species remain undiscovered. Still hidden, still waiting, in a landscape so vast, so dense, that complete exploration may never be possible. Then there's the Gran Sabana, a vast savanna stretching across southeastern Venezuela, rolling grasslands, scattered with bois, those same ancient tepuis, rising abruptly from flat terrain. Rivers cut through, red sandstone canyons. Waterfalls appear, seemingly out of nowhere. It looks less like a single ecosystem and more like several different worlds collided into one landscape. And then there's something almost no one outside Venezuela has ever heard of. Catatumbo Lightning, above Lake Maracaibo, in northwestern Venezuela. Something happens that occurs nowhere else on Earth with this frequency. Near constant lightning storms, sometimes flashing more than 28 times per minute for up to 160 nights a year. Scientists believe it's caused by a unique combination of geography. Warm air from the lake colliding with cool air descending from surrounding mountains. The result is a natural phenomenon, so consistent, so dramatic, that sailors once used it as a navigation beacon, visible from hundreds of miles out at sea. Locals call it the Lighthouse of Maracaibo. Standing beneath it at night, watching the sky light up again and again and again, without thunder, without rain, just pure electrical light. Dancing across the clouds feels less like watching weather and more like watching the earth itself breathe. Venezuela holds more proven oil reserves than any other country on Earth. But long before anyone discovered what lay beneath this land, nature had already built something. Far more valuable, mountains older than complex life itself. A waterfall that disappears into mist, a storm that never stops. An ecosystem still revealing secrets. This is a country most people only know for its headlines. But underneath those headlines is a landscape that has been quietly extraordinary for nearly 2 billion years, long before any nation existed here, long after any nation will remain. The Tepuis will still be rising above the clouds. Angel Falls will still be dissolving into mist. And somewhere above Lake Maracaibo, the lightning will still be flashing exactly as it always has. That is Venezuela. Follow for more places that will completely change the way you see this world.